Thank you, honorable teacher, to giving me the opportunity to say something about this presentation. Today's presentation topic is new technology for energy saving and better use of energy. Today's presentation presented by me, MD Saiful Islam, Department of Software Engineering, Noakhali Science and Technology University. And today's presentation presented to MD Iftekhar Alam Ifat, Assistant Professor, Institute of Information Technology, Noakhali Science and Technology University. Now I am going to our presentation agenda. What is energy? Types of energy, name of some new technology, why need to technology for saving energy, what can we do, how can better use of energy. Now I am going to our first part. What is energy? Energy is defined as the ability or capability to do work. And some example of energy. Energy lights our cities, power our vehicle, and cooks for food, plays music, gives us picture on television. Now I am going to our next part. Types of energy. There are two types of energy: renewable energy, and second one is non-renewable energy. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy can be generated continuously, practically without DC for source. And some example of renewable energy: solar energy, wind energy, and geothermal energy. Second one is non-renewable energy. What is non-renewable energy? Non-renewable energy is energy that comes from the ground and it is replaced the relatively short amount of time. Some example of non-renewable energy: fossil fuel, coal, gas, etc. Now I am going to our next part, is name of some saving technology: artificial intelligence, digital data, microgrids, blockchain, heat recovery, innovation finance, energy storage, LED tube lights. Now I am going to our next part, is why need to technology for saving energy. First one is risk depletion, boost human health, mitigate global warming, social responsibility, personal benefit, a clean future of kids, normal functioning of country would be affected. Now I am going to our next part, is energy saving from artificial intelligence. This is the one of the best invention of the world. It can be save our saving energy. Is robots and would be domination, and artificial intelligence save our planet. Destructive technology such as artificial intelligence can be new energy watchdog in the workplace. Now I am going to our next part, is energy saving from digital data. Energy saving with single form of data center, energy saving with static policies, energy saving with dynamic policies, energy saving multi-frame data centers. Now I am going to our next part, is energy saving from microgrid. Microgrid offer added reliability and it can reduce energy consumption and emission. It can may save some money. Now I am going to our next part, energy saving from blockchain. Reduce cost, environmental sustainability, increase transparency for stakeholder while not compromising privacy. Now I am going to our next part, saving energy from energy storage. It can save some money, improve reliability, and integrate diverse resource and reduce environmental impact. Now I am going to our next part, saving energy from LED tube bulbs. It's brighten instantly, use 80% less electricity while providing some brighten incandescents by replace some dims or slow incandescents. Lifespan not shorted by turning them and off frequently. Now I am going to our next part, benefits of saving energy. It can save money, improve the economy, good for the environment, and improve national security, enhance quality of life. Now I am going to last topics of my presentation, ways to save energy. It's use some smart power strips, adjust our day to by behavior, install of programmable thermistor, use energy and efficient appliance, reduce water heating expansion, install energy efficient windows, and upgrade HVAC system. Thank you, honorable teacher, and